This is Brian with PowerBidding.com. This video is going to show you how to use and navigate our website so you can have fun and enjoy the buying and selling process on PowerBidding.com. So you can go anywhere to the website, come back to this home page from the logo up here. This is the main menu header bar. So all the auctions, there's different categories of auctions. Memorabilia parts section. We want to run the memorabilia auctions for those of about $2,500 or more. Anything under that, under $2,500, let's run them under the classifieds just as a classified ad. The forum section is a place where you can go in. Let's chat. Let's talk about things. Get anything off your chest, and let's all get involved in the community here. News and resources. We have our podcast section with the Power Bidding Powercasts, so you can go through and see what's happening with Chuck and I on a semi-regular basis. Hopefully, we'll be up every few days, and we'll talk about what's going on here at PowerBidding.com. We have all sorts of articles. We're going to be adding articles, and we'd like you to go ahead and share articles if you see something that you like. Just take the article up here, copy, paste it right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Copy, paste it right there. Share it with us. Let us know what you're thinking. How it works, that's a section that's the nuts and bolts, the meat and potatoes of the website. So, you can go through, read, see what we got going on. There's some frequently asked questions. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate. But this help button down here, give us drop us a line. Let us know what your question is. We'll be getting back to those right away. Now let's go in and log in and register. First, we have to register for a new account. So we're going to set up an account for, let's go Bob, Bob J, and fill in his address, 123 Main Street, town. He lives in Anywhereville. I still can't type. Anywhereville, Kansas, 66219. His phone number is area code 888-555-1212. What's his Bob? Let's go. His username's going to be, let's go with Bob J. Now let's not have any derogatory or not appropriate usernames, please. We don't want to have to go through, waste our time editing those out. Let's give Bob an email address, bob@powerbidding.com. We're going to make a password for Bob. Now you hit this button, it'll show the password. So let's go password. For a password. For the love of God, do not use password as a password. You're not a robot. We got to make sure we got to keep the bots off of it. Twitter has that problem, so let's not have that problem on here. Subscribe to our newsletter so you can get information about what we got going on and read and accept those terms so you know exactly what we're doing here. And then let's register an account. Now let's go ahead and register and set up this account. Congratulations, your account. Don't say that password. So thank you for creating an account on PowerBidding.com. Please check your email to activate your account. So let's go to Bob's email account here. Oh, look at that. Account has been created, and please activate your account. So what you got to do is click on that one. And this is to click here to verify your email. We want to make sure you are who you say you are. And after that, it takes you back. Now this is your account page. This is your dashboard. So you've got to add in a credit card. And let's go here to an auction. We've got this beautiful Land Rover. Maybe we do. All right, so this is the main listing page for the Land Rover. These are the main pics right here, and you can expand that, blow up that picture, take a good look at it, click it again, you can expand the picture even more, and then go through all the pictures. Expand those pictures, really take a look at them. Let's know what you're bidding on here. That's the whole point of this website, is so that you know exactly what you're getting. Right here is going to be the live auction feed, and that's going to be the last about probably 5 minutes of each auction. You're going to be able to go in. We're going to go in and have a live feed where we're going to have maybe the seller come on, talk about the listing, about that item. We're going to go over the inspection reports. We're going to give our view of things and take some different questions if anybody's got questions about the item. All right, here is a video of this item running and driving, so you can hear it and see it going. The inspectors are going to come out and take pictures and do videos and things, and we're going to post everything that we can get from that inspector. So let's take a look at the inspection report. Just click it. I mean, this is the good thing that differentiates us from everybody else. So, you know, you check it out. Any of the flaws or anything that needs to that's wrong or good or bad about the vehicle, it's all going to be listed out here in this report. Please go and read the report. We have these reports done so that we can make a better listing, a more clear view of this item, so that you know what you're getting when you bid here on powerbidding.com. These are the thumbnails for each listing, the item in this listing. Like I said, you click on that particular one, it blows it up and goes to them, and you can still scroll through again. So now for this particular item, bids, people who bid on them right there. Comments are going to be in here. If people write comments, you know, was this transmission serviced? The seller's going to come in and say, yeah, you know, the seller will be in here answering questions about the item. We want everybody to ask it. Any questions that they got, you know, we want to be able to, like I said, portray the item in the truest light possible, so everybody knows what they're going to be getting. Place a bid. You know, go in and place that bid. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your bid. Yes, you have to confirm the bid and be able to place a bid there. So add it to your watch list. And if you go through on your account here, you can see your watch list and go straight to these items. Wish list, so you can add it. If there's a car in there that you want to buy, you just can't buy it yet, add it to the wish list, and we'll see what happens later down the road. Share these items. Go on Facebook. Tell people what you're bidding on this car. Ask them what they feel about it. Also, you can go to our social media accounts in here too. But go through the specifications for the item too. Make sure you're reading all of this and the description. We're going to try to get long descriptions and be as thorough as we can, telling you everything we know about these items. Once you win, we will arrange to have you and the seller get together so that you guys can exchange the information, pay for the item, and if shipping needs to be set up, we can help you to do that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Click the Need Help button down here. Send us an email. We'll get right back to you, let you know what we can do for you. If you want to sell an item, come up here, sell an item. Click on it. You're gonna have to put in your information for the credit card before you do that. Once you do that, you fill out some form. We'll get back to you right away, and then we'll see what we can do to set up a listing. It usually takes a few days to get an inspector out. After that, another couple of days, we'll have your auction set up and going live. And usually with about 5 to 7 days from the time you contact us, your listing will go live. Then about 7 days after that, your listing will end. And then a few days after that, you should have payment if you are a seller. So please come on, check us out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.